Hi everybody, my name is Christine Jensen and I am a gold partner here at the Higdon Group. My coach Michelle McKenzie asked me if I would share a little bit of my story with you over the last 10 months. So first of all, I'm a deaf brain tumor survivor at 47 years old. That happened and I'm now 56. Network marketing was basically my only option at that time. And so I don't know about you, but I haven't always been happy with my uplines. Like, they do things wrong. They get divorced. They do goofy things. They, have all sorts of personal stuff happening in their own life, and I expected them to be perfect, and they're not. And so that's how I came into third-party coaching, okay? And I keep coming back to Ray Higdon just because he's such a class act, and you just really can't go wrong. And not only that, they're just really going to remove the obstacles that they possibly can. So when I was like, oh, things weren't captioned, they transcribed it and posted the Ray Daily Recap. And so I felt so bad about complaining that I actually did the work. And so I haven't not had success, but I had things that were holding me back. So here's the thing. If you buy a bed and you get a cot, you're going to return it, right? So when you buy coaching, you're going to, number one, hopefully, if you invest enough money, you're going to want to return on that money if you're a good business person and you're going to do the work. Number two is, like the bed and the cot thing, if you buy coaching, you're going to make sure you get it, okay? Because otherwise it's not worth it. Number three, they sell coaching. They want you to be successful. That's how they sell more coaching, through referrals, etc., just like the rest of us, really. And so you get what you pay for. If you're going to get free coaching from uplines, that's great. But it isn't always going to be what you need. It's going to be what the majority needs. So sometimes in order to get ahead a little bit farther, you're going to need to get over that hump. I hope that helps. By the way, my goals were to replace my income residually. I have done that. And also continue growth and consistency, and made it to number 2 in my company by July. And I still have 2 more months left to go in this program.